3. Best prepaid credit cards to build credit with no fees. In this video, you're about to discover 3 of the best prepaid credit cards in the US that help you build your credit history while charging no monthly fees. These options can help you take control of your financial reputation without hidden costs. Think that sounds too good to be true? Wait until you hear why our number 1 pick outshines the rest. Most people believe you need a traditional credit card or loans to build credit, but prepaid credit options today offer a smart way to establish credit without risking debt. They report your on-time payments to credit bureaus and fit people who want control, transparency, and peace of mind. Let's count down from third to first. 3. Chime Credit Builder. Coming in at number 3 is Chime Credit Builder. It works differently from typical credit cards. You transfer money from your Chime spending account into a secured account. That amount becomes your spending limit. Every on-time deposit counts toward building credit. There's no interest, no annual fee, and no credit check to open the account. Users love how intuitive it feels. You control how much you use and you almost forget it's there until you check your score rising. While it's not a true credit card, it reports to the credit bureaus and helps establish a credit history gradually and safely. Chime's mobile app also includes instant transaction alerts and roundup savings tools, making it ideal for people starting from scratch. If you're new to credit and want something simple, this one delivers. 2. Self-Visa Secure Card. Our number 2 is the Self-Visa Secure Card paired with a credit builder loan. You open a small savings account with regular monthly deposits. Once approved, you get a prepaid card backed by that account. As you make monthly payments, you build credit. When the loan term ends, you get access to the funds. What people appreciate is the transparency and predictability. There's no credit score requirement to qualify, and payments always count toward building credit. Plus, once you've built credit successfully, you end with a lump sum from your savings account. It's especially popular with users who want structure, consistency, and clear progress. And since there's no interest, no hidden fees, and no annual charge, it feels more like a self-improvement tool than a credit trap. And number 1? That might surprise you, because this option combines flexibility, ease of use, and reporting power in a way that others struggle to match. 1. Discover It Secured Card. Prepaid style spending. Topping our list is a card that acts like a traditional card but starts with a cash deposit. The Discover It Secure Card requires a refundable deposit which becomes your credit line. As you use it responsibly and pay on time, Discover reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, and there's no monthly fee, no annual fee, and access to cashback rewards on eligible purchases. Users highlight how building credit while earning rewards feels unusual and powerful. You get up to 2% cashback at select spending categories, and Discover automatically reviews your account after 8 months for potential upgrade to an unsecured card, giving you even more flexibility down the road. Many people say it's known for its fast customer support and clear fee structure. If you're ready to step into a more traditional credit experience without the risk or complexity, this one delivers confidence, value, and credit momentum. What makes these 3 stand out? No monthly or annual fees. Each option avoids recurring charges, making credit building affordable. Credit reporting. All 3 report activity to major bureaus, which is essential for improving your score. Cashback limits. You control the card by funding it upfront. No debt risk, no interest. Simple qualification. Typically, no credit score needed to get started, making them accessible to many. Quick recap. Choose Chime Credit Builder if you want an easy, app-based way to establish credit without credit checks or interest. Use Self-Visa Secure if you want structured progress, a set payment plan, and eventual savings access. Opt for Discover It Secured if you're ready for a full-featured card experience with rewards and an upgrade path while still paying 0 fees. Final thoughts. Building credit in 2025 doesn't require risking debt or paying high fees. These 3 prepaid style cards offer transparent, low-risk paths to credit building even if you're just starting out. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.